Does it snow in London? Quick answer, it does. We'll go over in this video when it snows, how much to expect in any given month, as well as tips on things to do and how to dress for the snow and cold.
Welcome to Free Tours by Foot. I'm Camden, and I'm here to take you around the world for the best travel tips, how-to guides, and tour highlights. To keep finding out more, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to join us on one of our walking tours, visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com.
Winters in London are generally cold and often rainy, but don't fret, there's plenty to do in London when the weather's not cooperating. The average daily high temperature between December and February is about 9 degrees Celsius, 48 degrees Fahrenheit, and the average daily low is 5 Celsius, 41 Fahrenheit. Below freezing temperatures, however, are not uncommon, and snow is not unheard of. Fortunately, the snow does not stay on the ground for very long, and most of the time it melts away very quickly. Accumulating snow and sleet can be expected on only about 3 to 5 days, mostly during the months of December to February. We recommend that in the colder months you are prepared to dress in layers. A warm outer layer will keep you comfortable outside, while a light inner layer ensures that you won't be too hot for any indoor attractions. The basics to bring are thick coat, sweater, warm hat, scarves, gloves, winter boots, and multiple layers. And don't forget a good pair of walking shoes and umbrella for any of those wet or snowy days. Should you forget any of these items, London has no shortage of shopping. Read our post on where to shop in London for some suggestions. And if you're in London for the holidays, the Christmas markets are an excellent place to pick up gloves, hats, scarves, and the like. Now don't let snow stop you from enjoying your time in London. It certainly doesn't stop the locals from being out and about. Here are our top things to do in London in winter. Visit a museum. Obviously, going indoors is going to be the most popular way to still enjoy the sights of London. To help you narrow down your choices, here's a list of some of the top museums and historic attractions. The Tate Modern, the British Museum, St. Paul's Cathedral, Westminster Abbey, Buckingham Palace, Tower of London. Now keep in mind these popular museums will be crowded in bad weather, so going to a lesser-known museum, like a medical museum or military museum, might be a good option if you don't like crowds. If you're in London during a month when it seems likely that you'll encounter some bad weather, consider getting a tourist attraction discount pass. Some museums that do charge an entrance fee are included for free when you purchase the pass. Take a bus tour. A bus tour can help you see London and stay dry as you hop from one attraction to the other, and many of these are also covered on the tourist discount passes. Take a walking tour. Believe it or not, our name-your-own-price tours run rain or shine and even snow. We also offer indoor tours of the British Museum and the National Gallery of Art. Have a spot of afternoon tea. This is just about as British as it gets. Stay cozy while you sip some tea. See a show. The West End and smaller theaters have amazing productions all year round where you can watch quality shows in historic theaters. Take a ride. Both the London Eye and the Emirates Airline cable car are great options to see London from above, but still inside. Enjoy the snow. You can also just embrace the winter weather. You are traveling to London in winter after all. There are some things that you can only do in the wintry months. Take advantage while you can. Go ice skating, shop at one of the many holiday markets, see the holiday and Christmas lights. If your winter trip coincides with the holidays, be sure to check out our post about visiting London at the holidays. If you want to know more about winter travel to other cities, like New York or DC, subscribe to our channel here and watch our Snow in New York video, or watch one of our summer videos to plan ahead for warmer weather. As always, like and subscribe. Find us online at freetoursbyfoot.com and on social media at freetoursbyfoot.